Hello, my name is Dr. Guy Carnazza, and I practice in the town of East Rockaway, New York. Today I'd like to share a case with you of a gentleman who came to us who was unhappy with his smile. As you can see, he didn't even want to smile for the photos. Here you can see he's missing quite a few lower teeth and some of his upper teeth. And he suffers from what we call occlusal disease, or where he was biting down and he wasn't functioning properly because of all the missing teeth. He told us that he did not want to have dentures or any removable teeth of any kind, so we offered him the option of dental implants. We were able to place 4 dental implants on the lower arch, as you can see, which were quite enough to stabilize and support a fixed porcelain bridge, and then we opted to also place 6 implants on the upper arch, which are quite enough also to stabilize and support a fixed porcelain bridge. And as you see in these photos, they are fixed, non-removable teeth that allows the patient to function normally, properly, and naturally. If you're interested in learning more about dental implants, full mouth rehabilitation, or implant-supported fixed bridges, please contact us at 516-887-3550 or online at carnazzadental.com. Thank you.